So today I'm going to show all of you how I usually process my DIY bedding. While I don't use this as the main bedding, but I use it as the bedding topper, which is great for the enrichment for your hamsters so they can have various texture in their cage so they can, have fun. And here I'm using this multi-purpose towel. The brand is Pinn. It is unbleached and it is not dusty at all in my opinion, and the price is also very affordable. You can get this usually at Mr. DIY for below 5 Malaysian ringgit, so yeah, go ham with it. The way I do process it is just using my hand, just tearing it up into thin strips, and I've never used a paper shredder before, but if you want to use that, it's fine as well, and I think maybe it will be better since the paper shredder can shred really nice thin pieces, so depends on your liking. So I would just tear all of it up into thin strips, and the process is exhausting, I guess, but it's worth it in the end because I can inspect the thin strips one by one, and in case if there's any foreign objects, I can just remove it, so it is safer for the hamsters. After I'm done tearing it all up, I would scrunch it with my hand and do it with both of your hands so it is easier and faster for you. So I would just rub it in with my hands so it all scrunched up, and that's really great texture for your hamster to do their nesting, and it's not too big for your hamsters as well. So if you like the look of the thin strips, then you can use that as well, but for me personally, I like to compress all of it together and scrunch it up. For me it looks nicer and it's cozier for the hamsters to do their nesting. So after all the scrunched up, this is the final product. As you can see, it's very cozy looking, and I like this brand personally because you get a lot in just one pack. So the pros behind it is that you can make a lot of bedding in one pack and your hamsters will love it.